To allow everyone near you to share with you using Quick Share on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers to open up the quick panel. Find the Quick Share icon and then long tap the icon. Under nearby sharing section, tap who can share with you and then select everyone. By default, this setting will be applied for 10 minutes only, which means after the time is over, the setting will be set back to contacts only. Tap done button to save your selection. By doing this, everyone near you with nearby sharing or quick share feature can share with you, either sending or receiving using quick share. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.